Hi students, today I am going to the class 6 reasoning chapter 6 mixture and alligation. So here I am going to the exercise 6.1. Here the first question. Before going to the first question, I would like to explain the formula that is written on the top of the exercise. So using that formula, this one here written, I am going to using the alligation formula. So here amount of the cheaper product, always the ratio of the cheaper product to the costlier product is given in this manner. So here the costlier means which having the heavy concentration. So it having the 80 and it is replaced by the minimum concentration is given 32 and in between both of them there the concentration is given 48. So according to formula we have placed the values 80 minus 48 and 48 minus 32, whatever the formula is given that cost price of the costlier product. So costlier product is given 80% and the mean price, mean is given 48 and the again mean price, that means mean value minus the cost price of the cheaper product, that is 32%. So after solving this we are getting 32 upon 16 and dividing we are getting 2:1. So we are getting here value 2:1. So here this is the value of the whatever the product is remaining in the bottle. The costlier product, question is asking about the costlier product. So costlier product is one part out of total three parts. Here the three parts are given and out of these three parts there one part is in the remains in the bottle. That means 1/3 part is remaining in the bottle. And question is asking that what quantity is replaced. So here quantity replaced is whole quantity means 1 minus 1/3. So we are getting 2/3. So correct option will be option number D. Now going to the question number 2. Here question is given in a farmhouse there are cows and hens. As simply we know that cow has one head and hens has also one head. But cow has 4 legs and hens have only 2 legs. So according to this, let's assume cow, number of cows are X and number of hens are Y. So number of heads, that will be sum of the cows and head of the cows and head of the hens. So that is already given. X plus Y is equals to the 90. Now it is given that legs. So simply we know that cow have 4 legs. So here 4 multiplied to the number of cows and 2 legs having hens. So 2 multiplied to the y and sum of them is given 250, that is already given in question. So after dividing with the 2 we are getting this equation. And now we are going to solve this and this equation. So here after the subtraction method we are getting x is equal to 35. So number of the hens are, question is asking the number of hens. So number of hens are 90 minus 35 because this is the number of cows. So 90 minus 35 we are getting 55. So correct option is option number C is correct. Now I am going to the question number 3. Now going to the question number 3. Here question number 3 is given that a bucket was having mixture of the milk and water in the ratio 7:5. A liter of water is added to the mixture. Now the ratio has become 7:9. Find the total quantity of the mixture in the bucket. So simply here ratio of the milk and water is given 7:5. So let's consider that milk is 7x, water is 5x. According to question, when 1 liter of the water is added, then ratio becomes 7x upon 5x plus 1 is equals to the 7 upon 9 because this is new ratio given in question. After solving 9 7 is 63x, 5 7 is 35x, 7 1 is 7. So we are getting 28x is equals to 7. So x is equals to 1 upon 4 because 7 4 is 28. Hence quantity of the mixture, that is 7x plus 5x, that becomes total 12x. 12 and value of the x is 1/4. So quantity of the mixture will be 3 liters. So option number B is correct. Now going to the question number 4. Here again question is given in what ratio must a grocer mix 2 types of the rice containing costing rupees 8 per kg and 20 per kg to sell it at rupees 12 per kg. So here simply ratio of the cheaper product to the, because in the formula there the amount of the cheaper product to the costlier product, that ratio is given. So here max cost is given 20 and the middle cost, that means mean cost is given 12 rupees and the minimum cost is given 8. So putting the values in the formula, we are getting 8 upon 4. Then we are getting 2:1. So ratio of the cheaper product to the costlier product is 2:1. So correct option is option number D. Now going to the question number 5. In the 5 question is given that if price of the pure milk is rupees 50 per liter and vendor sells it at rupees 30 per liter, calculate the amount of the water mixed in the 90 liter of milk to be competitive in the market. So here let the quantity of the water that mixed, that is x liter. So according to question, if he is selling at the rate, total amount is given 90 liter. So if he is selling at the rate of the 50, then it becomes 4,500. But after adding x liter of water, now quantity becomes 90 liter plus x liter, and it is this quantity is selling with the rate of the 30 rupees. Then solving with 39 30 90 times, so it becomes the 2700, that means 2700 and 30x. After solving, we are getting 1800 is equals to the 30x, so x is equals to the 60 liter. So simply we have to add 60 liter water in the milk. So correct option is option number D. Now the exercise 6.1 has been completed. Now I am going to the exercise 6.2. Now dear students, I am going to the exercise 6.2 question number 1. So here, first of all, question is given that a milk vendor was selling milk at rupees 40 per liter. Now he is selling milk at rupees 30 per liter and is still gaining 50% more profit. Find the ratio of the milk to water now in his mixture. So actually the cost of the pure milk is given 40 rupees per liter, and after mixing the water in that milk, he is selling rupees 30 per liter and also gaining the 50% profit. So selling price of the milk is 30 rupees and gain is given 50%. So cost price of the milk is 100 upon 150 into 150 means after gaining 100 plus 50, so it becomes the 150, and SP is given 30. So according to this, now the CP, cost price of the per liter milk is rupees 20. Now using the alligation formula, milk 40, what milk cost rupees 40, water cost 0, and after using the alligation formula, we are getting that 40 minus mixing price. After mixing, the price is 20. So 40 minus 20, it becomes 20, and 20 minus 0, it becomes 20. So we are getting 20 into 20. 20:20 means 1:1. So correct option is A. This is the alligation formula in the cross method. You can also use that written method. Same thing is here. Now going to the question number 2. Using the formula, here it is given that in what ratio a grocer has 100 kg of pulses, part of which is sold at rupees 30 per kg and balance at rupees 40 per kg. If he gets an average selling price of 30 per kg, find the quantity of the pulses sold at rupees 40 per kg. So 30 per kg, 40 per kg, and the middle price is 36 per kg. So 30 minus 36, 36 minus 30 becomes 6, 40 minus 36 becomes 4. So here ratio becomes 4:6. This is the ratio of the cost of rupees 30 and cost of rupees 40. Here question is asking that find the quantity of the pulses sold at rupees 40 per kg. So here at rupees 40 per kg, that is 3 part after getting this ratio. So quantity of the pulses sold at rupees 40 per kg, that is 3 out of total 3 to 5. So 3 out of 5 part, and total amount is given 100. So here after dividing, we are getting 23 just 60 kg. So he is selling the 60 kg pulses at rupees 40 kg. So option C is correct. Now going to the third question. Again here it is given that 22 karat gold and mixing with the 28 karat gold and getting the 26 karat gold. Now we have to find out the ratio of the gold. So 26, 28, and after mixing we are getting 26. So 22 minus 26, difference of the 22 and 26, 4, and difference of the 26 and 28, that is 2. So ratio becomes 2:4. This is the ratio of the 22 karat to the 28 karat. And same the question is asking. So here correct option is 1:2. So correct option is option number B. Okay, now going to the question number 4, last question of this exercise. Now going to the question number 4. Question is saying that in what proportion should water to be mixed to the pure milk to get 25% profit. So here cost of the water, let us consider that I am considering that 100 liter of milk. Suppose you are taking the 100 liter of milk and cost is rupees 1 per liter. So its cost of 100 liter becomes rupees 100, and after gaining the 25% profit, then now new cost becomes 125 rupees. 125, this is the new cost. So if we are getting the cost 125, so we have to require that we have to add the 25 liter of the water, then the quantity becomes 125, then according to the rate of this, then we will get the 125. So same thing is written here, cost of the water is 0 and cost of the milk of the 100 liter, for the 100 liter it is 100 because it is in percent, so 100% cost of the milk is 100. Now we getting the cost, that is we required 125%, so it is 125%. Now difference of 0 125, it becomes 125, difference of 100 and 125, it is 25. Now ratio becomes water and milk, that is 25 to 125. Then after solving we will get that ratio becomes 1:5. So correct option is D. Thank you and have a good day.